Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split a single transaction into multiple categories inside Lendingclub. This is super handy if one purchase covers different spending areas, for example, when you buy groceries and household items in the same store. So let's get into it. The first step is to open the Lendingclub app. Log in and then tap your account activity to review the recent transactions. Next is to select the transaction that you want to split. Tap the purchase you'd like to break down, choose Edit or Categorize. Next is to look for Split Transactions option. Lendingclub provides a split feature for flexible tracking. Just tap Split Transactions. Now, the next step is to assign portions to different categories. Now you're going to enter how much of the total belongs to each category. For instance, it could be $60 to groceries and $40 to household supplies. Just make sure that the total adds up correctly. Next is to save the split. Once saved, the app automatically records each portion under the right budget category. Finally, review in your dashboard. The financial dashboard will now show the split amounts in their respective categories. This gives you a more accurate picture of your spending habits. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.